Hello guys, today we are making Christmas tree with pipe cleaner. So let's stay tuned with us. Hope you are doing well. In this video we will share with you most amazing and beautiful DIY project of Christmas tree. Take glue gun and step by step pasting your pipe cleaner. Just cut the pieces step by step and down up pasting. If you are new at our channel, so please must subscribe my channel and support. You can also visit our channel. There is lots of DIY projects, especially for upcoming Christmas event, as we already shared with you. For Christmas tree you need only few things: just pipe cleaner, almost 15 pieces, hot glue gun and scissor. Look very beautiful. Just pasting step by step. For wooden look you can use pipe cleaner in brown color. I'm showing in this video. Just stay tuned with us. Hot glue gun and pipe cleaner make a beautiful Christmas tree in very short time. You can 100 pieces make in a day. And place in your home everywhere. If you like our art, our work, our struggles, so please must support our channel and like, subscribe and share with your friends and family for more updates and more videos. Now we make a downside of Christmas tree, wooden shape, arrange brown color pipe cleaner. So we will please must comments and share how it look like. Just hole in a back of the tree and stick inside. Roll the brown pipe cleaner around the downside. Most easy and most beautiful craft. Remember one thing: DIY projects and homemade crafts, the beauty is finishing. So must take care of your project finishing. I really appreciate your support for watching till the end. Now the last part is its wooden touch. As I already told you, finishing is the most important thing of your projects and your craft, so must take care of your finishing. Now it's brown pipe cleaner and roll the stick, roll over the stick, and for its wooden touch, it feel like natural. Now you can adjust as per your requirement. You can reinforce stick or cut it out in the center. Wooden surface for his standing. You can also touch a fancy look for Christmas bell on the top and make some lights for its fancy touch. You can put the corner in the room on the centerpiece of the table, on the dinner table, and adjust as per your requirement. Pipe cleaner is very flexible, so you can adjust as per your required look. We are just making as per our project and our imaginations. If you like this project, so please must share your comments and share your thoughts and support my efforts. Please must subscribe and share the video with your friends and family. Your Christmas tree is ready. Now you can arrange lights, fancy lights, LED lights, and Christmas bell and decorate your tree. Thanks for watching. Take care.